Next, from hydrocarbons. Okay. So first, Walker's process. This is very important process. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkenes. Walker's process. So first, coming to the preparation of aldehyde. In the acetaldehyde preparation, ethylene alkene reacts with acidified palladium chloride in cupric chloride, CuCl2. Okay, acidified solution of palladium chloride in cupric chloride. Okay, here we get acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. In this reaction, palladium acts like catalyst. But because we obtain palladium after the completion of the reaction. Okay. Next, for the preparation of acetone, we take propylene, alkene, propylene. So propylene also undergoes reaction with acidified palladium chloride in cupric chloride. Okay. Here we get acetone along with the palladium. So this is preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkenes. Then coming to alkynes. So here in the preparation of acetaldehyde, so that is from acetylene, ethyne. Okay, acetylene. So acetylene undergoes hydrolysis in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate, and temperature is maintained at 60 degrees centigrade. Okay, here we get vinyl alcohol and it undergoes tautomerism. It tautomerizes into acetaldehyde. Okay, so this type of tautomerism is also known as keto-enol tautomerism. Why? Because this is vinyl alcohol. So functional group is ol, alcohol, ol. Okay, and in CH3CHO keto group is there. Okay, so C double bond O group is present in acetaldehyde, keto group. So that's why this is called as keto-enol tautomerism. Next, propine. Propine undergoes hydrolysis. Now hydrolysis takes place with 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate at 60 degrees centigrade. Okay, and we get propane 2-ol. This is also example for keto-enol tautomerism. So propane 2-ol undergoes tautomerization with acetone. Okay, acetone. So this is alcohol having OH group, and this is keto group, acetone having keto group. Okay, so keto-enol tautomerism. So that is observed when the preparation in the preparation of acetaldehyde and acetone from alkynes. Okay. Next, hydrolysis of alkylidene chlorides, gem dihalides. So hydrolysis of alkylidene chloride, gem dihalides. So here geminal dihalides. So in geminal dihalides, halogen atom is present on the same carbon. Okay. So here ethylidene chloride. This is geminal dihalide. First it undergoes reaction with potassium hydroxide. Okay. And we get one intermediate compound which is unstable compound. So this is unstable compound. Unstable intermediate. So that unstable intermediate undergoes heating and it loses water molecule. Then we get acetaldehyde. Okay. So in the preparation of acetaldehyde we use ethylidene chloride which is geminal dihalide. And in the preparation of acetone, so in the preparation of acetone, isopropyridine chloride. Isopropyridine chloride. Here also 2 halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. And it undergoes reaction with potassium hydroxide. Here also we get one unstable intermediate. And that upon heating loses water molecule and finally gives acetone. Okay. So this is the preparation of acetaldehyde and acetone with the geminal dihalides. Okay. Next, coming to preparation of acetaldehyde and acetone from nitriles by using Grignard reagents. Okay. So nitriles are cyanides. Okay. So in IUPAC nomenclature, we use the term nitrile to indicate the cyanide. So nitriles undergoes reaction with Grignard reagents. So you know about Grignard reagents, alkyl magnesium halides. Alkyl magnesium halides. They are called Grignard reagents. So by using Grignard reagent, first upon hydrolysis, we get both aldehydes and ketones from nitriles. So in the preparation of acetaldehyde, we take hydrogen cyanide, HCN, nitrile, that is hydrogen cyanide. Okay. So hydrogen cyanide undergoes reaction with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide is Grignard reagent. Okay. So upon hydrolysis, we get acetaldehyde. Okay. Along with the formation of ammonia. Okay. Next, in the preparation of acetone. So in the preparation of acetone, we use methyl cyanide, methyl nitride, methyl cyanide. So it undergoes reaction with Grignard reagent. Here also we using methyl magnesium iodide. Okay. And it on hydrolysis, we get acetone along with the liberation of ammonia. Okay. So this is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, acetaldehyde and acetone from nitriles with a reaction with Grignard reagents. Okay. Next, coming to very important named reaction, Rosenman reduction reaction. Rosenman reduction reaction. Okay. So Rosenman reduction reaction, this is applicable only for the preparation of aldehydes. Okay. So we get only acetaldehyde. So this is the preparation of acetaldehyde. And we cannot prepare acetone by using this process. Okay. Acetone cannot be prepared. By using this reaction. Okay. So in Rosenman reduction reaction, acid chlorides undergoes reduction in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Okay. So Lindlar's catalyst, we use Lindlar's catalyst. Okay. So Lindlar's catalyst, that is palladium in barium sulfate in presence of quinoline. So this mixer is called Lindlar's catalyst. Okay. So in presence of Lindlar's catalyst, acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride. It undergoes reduction. Acetyl chloride undergoes reduction and we get acetaldehyde. So only acetaldehyde can be prepared by using Rosenman reduction reaction. And acetone cannot be prepared by using Rosenman reduction reaction. So this is very important reaction. Okay. So all these are preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. Next, coming to physical properties.